This is Cookin' in Brooklyn with Danny Milano, and I'm Danny Milano, and today we're not gonna be cooking, but we're gonna show you a quick, simple, and delicious dish called bruschetta. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Bridgeside Network, and if you're on YouTube, make sure you click that bell notification. Intro, please. Hey, go Bridgeside. So before we get to the dish, we wanna make sure you people know how to say it correctly. It's bruschetta, not bruschetta. Okay, this is not a casting for the Olive Garden commercials. It's bruschetta. Now that that's out of the way, we can begin. We're gonna grab our Italian bread, we're gonna cut the end off, and we're gonna feed the birds. And then we're gonna slice this up.
Dan, do you gotta cut them diagonally?
I mean, you don't have to, it's just the way I'm doing it. You can cut it any way you want. Cut them straight, diagonal. I like it this way. So this is a fresh loaf of Italian bread. If you got a days old loaf of bread, this dish works perfect with that too. It actually, I like it even better because I think it toasts even better as well. So we're just gonna leave that here. Next, we're gonna grab our tomatoes and we're gonna dice our tomato up. Throw it right into the bowl. I think you get the idea. So you can add more if you want. This is enough for our 8 slices of bread. And I'm going to grab the red onions first. Then I'm gonna grab my fresh garlic, add that in. I'm gonna grab some salt, some fresh parsley, fresh pepper. And we're gonna move this out of the way again for just a second. And we're gonna bring over our fresh mozzarella. Welcome to the cutting board. Slice this now. Dave, you get a treat.
Thank you.
We'll dice them up into little cubes. We're gonna add the mozzarella into the bowl. I wanna join the party. I preheated the oven to 300. If you don't wanna use the oven, you can use a toaster, because all we wanna do is toast the bread, and I'm gonna simply apply a little of olive oil to each one of these pieces of bread. And we're gonna throw these into the oven. Now that that's in the oven, we're gonna move back to our bowl, and we're gonna add some olive oil to this. Let's grab our spoon, and we're gonna mix this all together now. Oh, this looks delicious. I don't even eat the bread. I can eat this with a spoon.
You can do like a nice tomato salad like that.
Absolutely. All right, so the bread's toasted. Let's get that out of the oven. Oh yeah, nice and toasted. All right, now we're gonna dress the bread with the bruschetta. Let's get this out of the way and grab you a dish, Dave, so we can serve you up some bruschetta. I'm gonna garnish this with a little bit of more parsley. There you have it, bruschetta. Buon appetito, Mr. Casanova.
Thank you very much. This is the perfect starter to any meal. I think this is especially good for the summer. It's nice, it's refreshing, it's cold.
Dave, I got nothing else to say to you. This has been another edition of Cookin' in Brooklyn. Tomato, call it what you want, but do not call the bruschetta bruschetta. Go Bridgeside. Dave, I got nothing else to say to you. Keep eating. That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great.